Hey everyone, there is a huge update from Google that they have made their deep research functionality for free to their Gemini app. Here you see that this is the post from Logan Cliptrick that deep research is now available to all users for free, and deep research is now powered by 2.0 flash thinking model. This is their best reasoning model, and also they have introduced a new feature which is Gemini personalization using your search history. So basically whatever you are searching over the internet using Google, they will use your search history and you can use that during your chat. Okay, and next is gems are available to all users. So basically if you go to this gemini.google.com, they are from the drop down. Here you see that they have new option which is deep research. So if you click on this deep research, then here you can do any kind of research related question. If I ask a question to this deep research that how cursor and windsurf like code editor works for the code completion and how anyone can build another code editor like this. So if I press enter, here you see that it will do the deep research for this question. We know that OpenAI ChatGPT also has the same feature, but for that you have to pay $20 for the plus user. Here you see that in this plus user you will get access to deep research and multiple reasoning model. But for this Google it is completely free and you will get the best research result. And also in the last video I have shown you that this Gemma 3, that is their new model, new intelligent model, it is completely beating OpenAI O3 mini. So if you buy this ChatGPT $20 plus subscription, in that case you will get access to this O3 mini and this deep research both option, but it is not free. Okay, but in this Gemini you will get this deep research for free, and if you use this Gemma 3 here, it will you will get the best model because it is beating O3 mini also. Okay, in my last video, if you have not watched this video, please watch this video. You will get the full idea that how it is beating DeepSeek V3 and also this OpenAI O3 mini also. Okay, and now if I back to my question, here you see that uh, co-rated completion techniques. Now you have to click on this start research. Okay, so I have clicked on this start research, and on the right hand side you will see a artifact light box, and here you see that it is currently thinking. And if I click on this so thinking, then you will find this all of this thinking that he is doing. Okay, so initial understanding and next steps, and also here you see the researching website. So basically it is doing all of the research from all of the websites that is available currently on the market. As I have asked it regarding this windsurf and cursor functionality, that how this type of code editor is actually working and how anyone can build it. So that's why you see that all of the articles related to this windsurf and cursor, it has browsed and it has found all of these techniques. And here you see that it has also used some of the research papers like archives.org and Wikipedia. It has done all of these things, and also it has used this marketplace VS Code extension. And here you see that all of these things it is doing. And finally we will get this output, and on the left hand side it has already shown you that researching 61 websites. So that means it is doing the deep research and it will give you the best result. Okay, so if you want to get this type of videos more than what is happening in this AI technology daily, what are the free tools that is available, then for that make sure you subscribe this channel Code Digit, and don't forget to watch the other videos also. And I publish video daily for you guys only. If you have any question related to this any AI tools, just make sure you subscribe this channel and comment below in the comment section. Okay, so here you see that our research paper is ready, and previously it was showing 61 websites, now it is showing 94 websites. That means it is doing the deeply research. Okay, and another thing is that here you will find this type of message that you are nearly your limit of 5 research reports. You can generate 4 more until April 13. So basically per month you can generate this 5 research report. Okay, and which is under this free model. And if you want to generate more, in that case you have to buy the advanced. Okay, So you also please try this and let me know your thought that how much flexibility you are experiencing with this deep research, and what is best, this Gemini deep research or this OpenAI deep research. If you have that plus subscription in this OpenAI, then please let me know the comparison. Okay, as I don't have this ChatGPT subscription of $20 because I am using this Gemini 2.0 flash experimental model or 2.0 pro model for this code generation. So that's why I have not taken this ChatGPT subscription till now. If you have, then please do the comparison and let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.